Hey, how's it going? I'm in Zhongshan, next to Qinguang Market. I'm about to eat a danbing bigger than my head. My name's David, you're watching Travel Eat Taiwan Repeat, and this is danbing. So we're in Shanju Danbing, means wild boar, Danbing. Look at it, look at the size of this, literally, big as my head. We've got a few different ones. This is the spicy, and I think there's some pork and cheese inside. Looks so good. It smells spicy, it actually smells hot. Ooh. So it's really crispy on the outside, got some pork. It looks like some cabbage and cheese and other good stuff, some sesame seeds, and loads of chili. Let's give it a try. Literally too big to pick up. Okay. God, that's so spicy. Oh my god. That's a lot. That's a lot of chili. Pork's really nice. There's some raw onions, a few other bits and pieces in here. Really nice, really crispy on the outside. It's really spicy. My mouth is actually tingling. So luckily we also got a non-spicy one. This is fried chicken with egg. It's got some cucumber and once again sesame on top. Ooh. Oh, this looks good. That one's really good. Really, really good. If you're not really good with chili, definitely don't get the spicy one. This chicken's nice and crispy on the outside. Nice and moist chicken too. Once again, got the standard onion, bit of cabbage inside. I think this one has like a slight barbecue sauce. It's a little bit sweet. Ooh, and bacon too. Oh. This is the better one. So it's not actually one huge danbing. I think it's just all the filling on the plate and then one danbing, like pancake wrapped over the top of it. But it's still very big. The chili sauce I think is homemade, I saw online. I'm pretty sure it's got some Szechuan peppercorns in it because my mouth has got that tingling sensation to it. The size is huge, it's definitely not for one. You can get one for two people, I'd say. Look at this. This is their pizza. It's absolutely massive. It is a corn and pork pizza. It's got loads of onion and it looks like some other sesame kind of shake on top. Oh no, it's all falling off! Bit back on there. Such a mess. It's so cheesy. There's so much cheese, it's ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous, it's far too big. So much cheese. I don't think there's a correct way to eat this. It is piled up high, look at that. The dough is quite soft. It's more like a flat bread that's been on a grill top. A couple of different types of cheese I can see just from the colour. Quite creamy. Need to go for a long walk. So that was wild boar danbing, serious food. The danbing portions are huge, the pizza was massive, really stuffed full of their fillings of the chicken, way too much chili. We're now off for a walk at Chiang Kai-shek Shilin Residence Park, which is a huge flower area and his old house, so let's go. Wife's Cadillac limousine. Pretty cool. So Chiang Kai-shek Shilin Residence Park was originally opened by the Japanese as a experimental garden growing local and Western style plants. When Chiang Kai-shek then came here after the 1949 civil war in China, this became his main place of residence where he lived. The place at the time was really heavily militarized, which is what that was behind. It's one of the old barracks where the military used to live and used to protect him. Cool to see the building, how it just hasn't been maintained for so many years. Now nature's grown back and all the trees are growing back over. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. So normally when you come here, it's actually really busy and you have to pay an entrance fee. I've been here a few times before. I did think it was weirdly quiet. We've now got up to the residence and have seen that it's actually shut from today for the next 2 weeks for reservation, but we'll continue to walk around the gardens anyway. We won't be able to go into the house. Favourite Taiwanese animal, this silly bird. It's quite big, you often see them around the city in parks. Defence mechanism, not moving. No idea what she's meant to be, but it's giving me real Squid Game vibes. That's for the piano. Play a butterfly. You've got a rose garden here. A little walk around, you can see some pinks and reds and yellows and all sorts. So as the season changes, they also change the plants, obviously. Currently it is hydrangeas and pineapple flowers. The building over there where we're going to now is pineapple flowers. And after, we'll try and find the hydrangeas. Another wonky bridge. Oh, looks fantastic. Absolutely exhausted. Not even at the top. Too hot for this. If you come here, don't come after a really big spicy danbing. Bad choice. Better be worth it when you get to the top. More stairs. So hot. More stairs. Of course. Even more stairs. Whew. And there is very little view. I can see down in Shan National Park, the Shilin Beito in the back maybe. It's alright, but I don't know if it's worth coming out. It's been better. Go back down. So that was Chiang Kai-shek Shilin Residence Park. Enjoyed my time here. When I came here before in springtime, there's loads of tulips everywhere. It's a really pretty time to come here. Probably would suggest coming here in spring or fall instead of peak summer. Very, very hot. Lunch is delicious. Details in description below. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Jenny being an Instagram model. Beautiful. Stunning.